Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to learn the concepts of motion. To start with is the definition of motion, describing the motion with the help of the equation and graph, motion of the body along a straight line. What is motion? It's the movement. We can see that the movement of an object. So, movement is the vital sign of life. Living things move by themselves, whereas non-living things need an external force for its movement. Living things like animals and human can move by themselves, whereas plants are fixed, though the parts of the plants can move. Non-living things need an external force, especially for vehicles, by the help of the engines. In physics, we define the motion with the help of the keywords, that is, it is the physical quantity, that is, the change in the position of an object with respect to time or with respect to the stationary object. Children, when I ask you whether you are at rest or in motion, what will you say while watching this video? Yes, you are right. You are at rest with respect to the room, whereas you are in motion with respect to earth. Once this video gets over, you are going to move from this room, right? So, it can be defined as the change in the position of an object with respect to time or with respect to the stationary object. Moving on, you can see that we move, which is the direct evidence, but there are some indirect evidence for the motion. That is the motion of the air, like the dust particles in the air move. So, we come to know that there is a movement of air, and the rotation of earth, which results in the sunrise, sunset and the changing of seasons, or the indirect evidence of the rotation of the earth, right? And let us see that atoms, molecules, planets, stars and galaxies are in constant motion, right? So, we can just infer that the state of rest and motion are relative. Most of the motions are complex. Why do we say that? Because some objects move in a straight line, like the trains move in a track. That we term it as rectilinear motion. And a cricketer just hits a six. The ball takes a curved path, which we term it as curvilinear motion. Earth rotates, which is a rotational motion, and the pendulum, you can see that it oscillates, right? The to and fro motion. So, most of the motions are complex, which can be the combination of two or more motion, that is referred over here. And when does the motion become dangerous? When it is not controlled, when it is erratic, like flooded river, hurricane, tsunami, or dangerous motions which results in the havoc. But controlled motion can be a service to humans, like hydroelectric power, right?